able to hear me very well because of the wind, but we'll give it a try. It's Friday, Good Friday actually, and last night we had a pretty major ice storm go through, and everything's covered in ice and we lost the power. So rather than stay inside and do housework or something like I should be doing, I thought I'd come out here and photograph the trees with all the ice and everything covering them. They're really, really pretty. Anyway, I'll take you for a little tour around the farm. It really is beautiful here. I don't know if you can see all the detail, but it's just gorgeous. Timbers that belonged to an old log home many years ago. They just stacked them here on the edge of the property. Too bad they're all rotted, or we'd be able to repurpose them for something. There's Andre and Titan. Titan's wearing his cone of shame because he has an infection on his behind. Titan. Hi. How the ice kind of forms these rings on the edges. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks really neat. Down to the edge of the pond here where the beaver dam is. I can do it without getting a soaker. It's going to get wet. I don't know if you can hear the water. This is where the water's all breaking through the dam. It's so pretty here with the water flowing and the ice all over the trees and everything. And a police helicopter going over. Not sure what they're looking for. There's a family of porcupines that live in this big old maple tree here, and I was hoping to be able to see them today, but so far I haven't been able to spot them, but we'll go around the other side and see if I can see them anywhere. Just have to hope nothing blows down on me because I can't run fast in here. Oh, I don't see them. That's too bad. I don't know if you can see, but there's a hole up there somewhere. But I don't see any of the porcupines there today. If it sounds like I'm talking funny, it's because my face is completely numb. I don't know if you can hear it, but my footsteps are echoing. Most of it is on the neighbor's property, but some of it has kind of spilled over onto ours. Fortunately, it's not right into the hayfield yet, but it's getting close. As you can see, it's getting closer. It used to be all pine forest back in there, but they're all dying. Another new beaver pond. This used to all be poplar and birch trees here, but they've been clearing them all out and eating them. I mean, the beavers have. It's just so pretty at the moment here. All the ice and everything. It's just gorgeous. I know I sound drunk, but it's just my lips are completely numb. Wow. I mean, look at these shapes over here of the trees, all bent over. It's just beautiful. Look at that. It's amazing how much the ice changes the look of the landscape. I mean, I know this place really, really well, and it looks so completely different with ice all over the trees. glinting off the top of the ice here. It's so pretty. I hope that shows in the video. So I think I've had enough of the cold for one day, so I'm heading back home. And just wanted to say thanks for watching the video and coming along with me on this little walk. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure found it interesting to see all the ice everywhere and how different everything looks covered in ice. Anyway, I hope you'll join me again another time. See whatever we're up to on the farm. Thanks for watching.